Hello and welcome to Library Facts. In today's episode, we'll talk about Library Reference Service, an essential service that helps readers find the right information at the right time. So let's begin this journey of knowledge and explore the world of library reference services. What is reference service? Reference service is a special kind of library assistance provided to users who are seeking specific information. When a user has a query or needs help finding material on a topic, the reference librarian assists them. This service is not limited to books only, but also includes digital databases, online resources, and other reference materials. The primary aim of reference service is to fulfill the information needs of users accurately and quickly. It acts as a bridge between the user and the vast ocean of knowledge. This helps in saving users time and ensures they get reliable and authentic information for their study, research, or personal growth. There are two main types of reference service: ready reference service, which provides quick answers; long-range reference service, which involves deeper research. Additionally, users may also receive personalized assistance depending on their information needs. When a user approaches the librarian with a query, the librarian tries to understand the actual information need. This process is known as a reference interview. It is an interactive session where the librarian asks questions to clarify the user's requirement and provide accurate help. Reference service involves several useful tools like encyclopedias, dictionaries, almanacs, biographies, indexes, abstracts, and directories. These tools help the librarian in locating specific information and guiding the users effectively to the right source. With the rise of the internet, reference services have gone digital. Now users can request help through emails, chats, video calls, and even social media. These services are available 24/7, allowing even remote users to access support from their homes. A reference librarian not only answers queries, but also teaches users how to find information themselves. They promote information literacy and help users become independent in their research journey. They are like guides in the vast world of knowledge. For students, reference services are extremely helpful. Whether it's for school assignments, college projects, competitive exams, or research papers, the reference librarian helps in finding the most relevant and reliable resources, boosting their academic performance. For researchers, reference services are a goldmine. Whenever they need specific journals, reports, or statistical data, the reference librarian assists them in accessing high-quality academic and research materials from verified sources. Reference services can be 1. Passive, when the user comes and asks for help. 2. Active, when the librarian anticipates the user's needs and offers help even before being asked. Both types ensure smooth user support. Confidentiality is a key ethical aspect of reference services. A user's questions, needs, and interests must be respected and kept private. Reference service is also adapted for children, elderly, visually impaired, and differently abled users. Special tools, formats, and approaches are used to make information equally accessible for everyone regardless of their abilities. Some challenges include unclear user questions, time constraints, limited resources, and digital divide. Librarians need to be skilled, sensitive, and technically trained to overcome these obstacles and serve efficiently. Most modern libraries have a dedicated reference desk with trained staff. It's the heart of user support services in a library. Libraries today subscribe to online databases like JSTOR, IEEE, ProQuest, and EBSCO. Reference services help users access these platforms and retrieve articles, journals, and papers related to their subject areas. Another goal of reference service is to build information literacy among users. Reference services began in the 19th century and evolved gradually. With the growth of libraries and user expectations, reference services became more structured and professional. Today, they are considered the soul of library support services. The effectiveness of a reference service is measured by accuracy, timeliness of information, behavior, skill of librarian, accessibility and ease of the service. The future of reference services lies in technology. AI tools, chatbots, and virtual assistants will play a bigger role. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Library Facts. Thank you.